Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello. Here I want to review the film Ayat Cinta, first series, in order to fulfill the final assignment of the English semester, which is guided by Mr. Hapid and introduced me, Linda Nurlinasari, from the class Islamic Education. Okay, let's just discuss. Okay, next, Ayat Cinta is a popular religious film that we can watch with our loved ones. The film Ayat Cinta 1 is the first cinema film in a film series directed by Hanum Bramantio, produced by M.D Entertainment in 2008. This film is based on the novel of the same name by Habibur Rahman El-Siraji. Ayat Cinta, starring top artists such as S.pd Nuril, Karissa, Saskia Demi. Okay, next review about this film. Ayat Cinta tells the story of the life of Fahri, an Indonesian student who is pursuing his master's degree at Al-Azhar University, Cairo. He lives a civil life and becomes a translator of religious books in order to survive in Egypt. Okay, Fahri has big dreams and he always achieves them with enthusiasm, except for getting married. One day, Fahri gets acquainted with Maria Gergis, an Egyptian Coptic Christian woman who admires the Quran. Maria lives in the same flat with Fahri and is always willing to help Fahri and his roommates if they have trouble. Maria likes Fahri, but only forced it into a diary. Fahri only found out about Maria's feelings when Maria had fallen sick and was dying. Then comes Aisha and Fahri's life, who bewitches Fahri's heart with her beautiful eyes. So, Aisha is a veiled woman of Turkish German, dishing to admire Fahri, who defends Islam at every opportunity in her life. Fahri's marriage to Aisha became the culmination of inner conflict for the woman who harbored feelings for Fahri. One of with Maria, Fahri and Aisha have learned a lot to be kind and patient in facing life trial and slender that arise as a result of their first marriage problems. Then we will discuss about the character of each actor in this film. Hanum Bramantio, as the director, has richly brought the adaptation of the best-selling novel to the cinema screen without compromising the message of the story. Ayat Cinta is one of the breakthroughs in the Indonesian film industry because it dares to bring up religious issues that are quite sensitive. In addition, this film became the axis of religious film of its time, which tried to beat the success of Ayat Cinta from a woman's point of view. This film focused on women's lives conflict without delving into the background of each of the female characters. Maria and Aisha are described as women who tend to be weak when it comes to love and are jealous of each other. In fact, both of them have different cultural background, which can be a separate stage of the female. Okay, in a edition, the fourth trial of every character is perfect and becomes the main perspective that the woman in his life, the weakness that Fahri has him, to be only difficulty in choosing woman apart from narratives and character that do not have a female perspective. The story of Ayat Cinta is a picture of the dilemma of love, which is close to the religious in Indonesia people. Overall, the film Ayat Cinta provides speech about the meaning of love and human responsibility with God and religion. Okay, next, the moral message in this film, in my opinion, is the verse: don't be arrogant and always assume that we are the most right, because we don't know what God's intention is behind it. Oh, two, discard. Many people have narrow views and make religion only as a tool for the benefit of themselves or their group, even though one of the functions of religion is to provide the need for peace of mind and our means, making prophecy to all nature. 3. This relates to entrepreneurs, namely screener and patient. 4. If I'm not mistaken, there is a proverb that says, don't look at a book only from its cover. We who are inside, they know everything that is seen on the outside is also the inside. 5. The last. This film shows the existence of human dimension with God, including faith, piety, and tawadu, and human dimension with Himself, which include confidence, logical thinking. Well, that is the first serials of Ayat Cinta film review. Hopefully we can take a listen. Maybe that is all that can be said. Sorry if there are wrong words. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.